To read information from the user, you need to first just create a variable. So I'm going to create a variable called int number. It doesn't matter what the number is. And as a good programming practice, I'm going to initialize that to 0. And if I want to read something from the user, I'm just going to put a friendly message. And then I'm going to use cin a number. So right here on line 10, I declare an integer. On line 12, I just display a friendly message. And on line 13, I use the cin to read whatever the user types into a variable called number. And then on line 15, I just display. So if I run this program, and I'm going to enter number 21, it reads the 21 and displays the message you entered 21 that you had on line 15. Now there's just one problem with this kind of input operation. If you put an invalid value, I'm going to put a string here. The program does not recognize that there was a problem and just lets you continue executing the program. So be aware that if there's a number that cannot be converted to integer, then the program just keeps on going. It doesn't stop. And because of that, your program may have a very wrong result. So we can also change this from integer to string. And we can't do that because I'm already including string right here on the top. So I'm going to declare a string str. And again, as a good programming practice, always have something. Here it's an empty string. So, and I'm going to save in the string, and I'm going to print a string. So right here on line 10, I declare a string, and it's an empty string for now. I enter a string. On line 12, I just put a friendly message. On line 13, I actually read whatever the user types on into the string called str. And on line 15, I just display whatever the user enter. So run this program, and I'm going to enter general, and sure enough says you enter general. That's great. Now the drawback with this is that if you enter two strings, so general grievous, it only reads the first string. So this is a problem. Not a problem, this is how the language was designed, and if you're trying to read the entire line, then you need to use something else. Instead of using cin, let's use getline. So getline cin, and I'm going to save on string str that I previously declared. So when you use getline, this actually reads the entire line. So let's test it. So I type general grievous, and actually read and the entire line, and is saved to the variable.